Hey there, folks. Zach Smith, Pest Dude. Hey, we got a question about snake repellents at our brick and mortar shop, Smith's Pest Management, and from Eileen. Thanks, Eileen, for writing in about how to get snakes to go away. And you're not getting results from the pellets you bought at the store. Now, listen, snakes are very scent oriented, and so most of these repellents are going to be very scent based. But it's got to be really strong scent. And most strong scented things don't last very long. So anything that's promised to last all month, I don't buy it. Both senses of the word. But if you reapply something very often, like Ecovia WD, which is natural, very pungent odor, don't breathe this dust, but you can just shoot this dust where you don't want the snakes to hang out. Or if you mix up something like Ecovia, which is very aromatic, and apply it and reapply it often, the snakes will find somewhere else to go. It's a lot of work. Repelling snakes isn't easy. Snakes want to be there because something's really right for them at your home. And if you want them gone, again and again with this sort of thing, they won't come back. But it will dissipate because if you can smell it, it's volatilizing, right? It's going away. So it will break down. All right? That's what you got here for snake repellent tips and tricks from the Pest Dude. Try and try again. Don't give up. Be persistent. Bugging things makes things go away. Take care.